Hello friends. So I'm recording this video on 27th August 2022. So we will discuss the trades which I have taken yesterday. So that is on 26th August 2022. So I have taken two trades and two trades are from two different sectors. So that is from one is from banking sector and second one is from metal sector. Sorry. So second one is from pharma sector. So the trade I have taken is Canara Bank. So before speaking about the stock, let's check the sector. So let's make some analysis in the sector. Uh, See if you see this chart in 15 minutes. So it is making lower highs. So I have noticed this this sector is making lower highs. And here you can see a candle formation. So it's a bullish candle along with the huge volumes. So considering this, I have thought of taking a long position. So I have taken a trade in Canara Bank. So I have taken a long position. So by seeing this candle, by looking at this candle, so I thought of taking a long position in Canara Bank. So if we also check in 5 minutes time frame, so here you can see two huge bullish candles with a good amount of volumes. So because of which I thought of taking an entry in Canara. So I placed my entry as a 241.50. So my trade got executed in this candle. So I thought after hitting again it might continue its upward journey. So it hit my stop loss. So I have placed my stop loss at below of this candle, at low of this candle. So that is at 241.50. So it hit my stop loss. So the second trade which I have taken, so that is from a pharma sector. So that is Arabindo Pharma. So before getting into the stock, so let's make some analysis in the sector. So you can see, so the sector was completely in a downtrend. So based on this, I thought of taking an entry onto the short side. So I have taken a short position in Arabindo. See, if you see in a 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes chart, so here and here you can see huge volumes, right? So if we also check in a 5 minutes time frame, clearly notice this candle. So it made a bearish candle with huge volumes. The drastic volumes made a bearish candle. So I took this candle as a reference. So I have placed my stop loss at this candle and I have taken entry in this candle. So my entry price was at 554. 554 was my entry and it triggered in a 1225 candle. Uh, I I have noticed this uh, stock after 11:40 p.m. 11:30 or 11:40 maybe. So after 11:40 p.m. I have noticed this stock and considering this candle, I went on taking a short position. So I have exited at 35 candle. So that is at 550. Yeah. So that is all for today. See you in the next video.